Hey, Ryan here from Media Ace Marketing. You're ranking on Google, but the phone's still dead? Why? Because Google doesn't just show your business, it decides whether to recommend you. I've helped contractors go from chasing dead-end leads to having customers call them all ready to hire. Here's what happens. A homeowner finds 3 contractors online, all offering similar services, but only one has the real photos of actual jobs, recent reviews, and information that doesn't look like it was thrown together by a cousin who's good with computers. Guess which one gets the call? It's not always the highest ranked one. It's the one they trust not to screw up their yard or disappear halfway through. Homeowners don't want to chase you down. If they can't trust what they see online, they're not going to trust you with their yard or their money. All because you can show up in search results doesn't mean the customer is going to pick up the phone. The biggest mistake most contractors make is ignoring their online stuff for months. If your Google business profile hasn't been touched since COVID, you might be showing up as closed and not even know it. Here's the fix. Use what we call the 3 R's. Respond, review, and refresh. Respond to every review, not just thanks, but actually mention what you did for them. Review your Google listing monthly and make sure your phone number works and your hours are right. Refresh your photos. If your last 10 jobs aren't showing up anywhere online, they don't exist, as far as your next client's concerned. If you only do one thing today, log in your Google profile. If your hours are wrong, fix it before lunch. If your last photo looks like it was taken with a potato, replace it. Look, your online presence is your showroom now. And right now, most of you are inviting clients into a dusty garage. We clean that up, no fluff, no more trust, and just better calls. If you're tired of being seen but not getting the job, let's fix that. Message me to see what customers actually see when they find you online.